Working with a VRD file and need the right software to handle it? This is a rendering scene file from one of the most respected visualization engines in the industry. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open and work with these V-Ray scene files. Don't worry if the first steps fail. I have a guaranteed nuclear option recovery process for the VRD format, but we'll attack the top issues first. VRD files are scene files associated with V-Ray, the professional rendering engine developed by Chaos Group used across architecture, product visualization film, and visual effects. They contain render scene data, including geometry material, definitions, light sources, camera parameters, and render settings for photorealistic image generation. V-Ray VRD files use a proprietary format storing the complete render scene graph with mesh geometry, V-Ray material node trees, including VRayMtl subsurface scattering, and car paint shaders, light definitions, HDRI environments, camera settings and global illumination, render parameters for the V-Ray rendering engine. The VRD data container is optimally managed by V-Ray developed by Chaos Group. Windows allows basic viewing, but true content manipulation requires a specialized application. Windows can preview only simple elements, so full exploration requires specialized modeling suites. Your initial diagnostic move. Right-click the VRD file and choose Open With. If V-Ray is on your machine, test it. If not, choose another program. Remember that different software supports different VRD variants. If your VRD file will not open, do not worry. The problem with this VRD file isn't complicated, it's specific. We just need to verify a few key details on our checklist before moving to the fix. First, opening in V-Ray applications. V-Ray integrates with host applications, including 3ds, Max, SketchUp, Rhino, and Maya. Open the VRD file through the V-Ray plugin interface within your host application, or use the standalone V-Ray renderer to process the scene file directly. Ensure your V-Ray version matches the file version for full compatibility. Next, adjusting render settings. Load the VRD scene and access V-Ray render settings through the host application's render dialog. Modify resolution, sampling quality, global illumination engines, light cache settings, and output format parameters. Use V-Ray's interactive progressive rendering mode for real-time preview, while adjusting materials, lighting, and camera angles. Finally, batch rendering. Use V-Ray's standalone command line renderer to process VRD files without opening a host application. This enables batch rendering of multiple scene files on render farm nodes. Configure output paths, resolution, and quality parameters through command line flags for automated production rendering workflows. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.